won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. Yeah. I'm so handsome. All in Carmine's with my Benz, I'm so fancy.
Guess who's back? Back again. Amosh's entrance is back.
Hello. Got book dates. Had a plan, only had to wait. Always knew I'd make a way. Send a bill, they send a pay. Keep it real, keep the record straight. Keep it real, no time to fake. All authentic in my own lane. I am me till I'm in the grave. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop. Ooh, never panic. Get a worry, send it up and then it vanish. Yeah, I can't stand it. Out of order way you move it, see you scrambling. On offense, no defense. Still strong, no weakness. Used to say I wouldn't beat this. Now they wish they could beat this. Tables set, now tables turn. Guys playing, don't say a word. Know the price, cause I know my worth. My time, get what I deserve. Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you.
I was dirty, now I'm clean.
He's clean now.
Dirty, bro. If you were there, you know. If you don't,
if you know, you know.
Let's just turn the fuck up.
Happy birthday!
I won't stop. No, 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 no. I won't stop. I won't stop.
Day 2, how you feeling?
Great. I feel great.
What's in store today?
Got a little, you know, another little shuttle.
A little shuttle?
The pool party.
Yo, we out here, my boy's birthday. How you feeling?
A little nice.
A little nice?
Well, we outside.
We out here.
Hey.
Great Gatsby night, aka Fancy night.
2020, as we know, has not been the best year. You learn a lot about yourself that you never thought you could, and one thing I learned is that age means nothing. What really matters is relationships and people. I'm nothing without a lot of you people. I love each and every one of you. Cheers to all the new skills, all the new jobs, all the everything that's coming to us, all the new marriages, the new relationships, and let's continue to build. I can't believe 20 plus people came to Vegas. This means the world to me. I never thought that I'd be surrounded by this much love. I appreciate y'all. Cheers to another.
Cheers!